This is Musharu Building Solutions. We are here doing the tiling. We already done with the ceiling. Meet Fancho Mancho.
Woyo, what's up people? Wagwan, this is aka Fancho, your boy Trainer. Big up to Musharu Construction Company, big up to Green Kitchens. That's what we do. As you can see, we are doing everything. Well put in, well good ceiling. Just contact us on Facebook or Instagram. What's up? We there apart.
See you, my dog. Okay, this is the kitchen. It's already done. It's only left with the grouting. Then move. Say Lambo, what's up? This is the third room. As you can see, it's all said and done, only waiting for grouting. This is the another room. As you can see, it's all set and done, only left for grouting. The ceiling is done. This is yet to be finished. The ceiling is done. Then I would like to show you the main. As you can see,